Ayun.
Sandali lang.
Oh,
Natawa ako kasi.
grabe.
Natawa ako na nag-prepare ka na kasi gumalaw yung mouse.
Correct. Tsaka, kasi hindi hinahanap natin yung mga foha ahof, di ba?
Correct.
Ito yung symbol ng ahof o yung nila, diamond.
Oh my God, may diamond din.
Diba?
Tama.
I think yes. Oo, tama.
The best contribution.
Correct.
One, two, sarang!
Hey!
Annyeong, this is Trency.
Hello, my name is Pia.
Hi, this is Monica, and we are One to Sarang, your K-pop and K-drama podcast. And hello, Sarang Bay Fohas, we are back with, guess what? Another MV reaction from our favorite Ahof. Yay! They're back with their comeback EP called Run to You. So for today, we're going to be watching the music video of their title track, Run to You. Watch this space because we have, of course, we're gonna do an episode wherein we are gonna check out their whole album. Okay, yung comeback
Yes.
EP. They have 5 songs. So yay, more new songs from Ahof. And just in case you don't know, matagal na namin sinusubaybayan ng Ahof. And pang ilan na natin to? Pang 5th content on Ahof. Done an album review for both Who We Are and The Passage. And we also have done music video reactions for Rendezvous and Pinocchio. So do if you haven't yet, and sa mga bagong mga bagong Foha Sarang Base, welcome to this space. We can't wait to share our thoughts and feelings with you guys. And sana kayo rin sabihin nyo ang inyong thoughts and feelings on this comeback, on this music videos. We'd love to read everything in the comments.
Yeah.
Woo! Are we excited to see?
Yes. I'm excited.
Yes.
Excited to watch them again.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's check it out.
Let's
Here
go.
is Run to You.
Ay, nasa sky.
Uy, nasa Sabi na
Makati,
sila.
charot.
Wala na sila sa gubat.
Oh.
Ay, Chien.
Ah,
Oo nga pala,
Chien.
diba?
Oh.
Pogi naman ni Han dyan, ah.
Hi, Jongwoo. Ay, cute!
Look at them.
Ang pogi naman tumakbo neto.
Aha, naka-jockey muna siya. Ayan na!
Oo, may logo pa nila. No. Ayun
Ayan na.
din, lumabas din siya. JL Center.
Saan kaya to? No? Saan kaya nila shoot to?
Wow!
May close-up tayo. Ayan na.
Bakit yung arms niya, ano?
많은 사람들 사이 결국엔 내가 향하는 곳에 No matter where you are 너희란 나에게 닿을 수 있게 Run to you, run to you, run to you, run to you 나의 목적지 You run to you
Oh.
Okay.
Pickleball court.
Wow.
Oh, cute.
Cute. Meron silang ano.
Ay, may ano.
meron pa.
Kiyawa.
Banana milk.
Banana milk siya.
Cute.
Cute. Sobrang cute. Ay, nako. Oh, always
Aw,
a soft
that's
spot for
nice.
Ahof.
That's
Cute,
like
cute,
their, I guess this is like
cute.
their summer. Their summer song, ano?
Yeah, oo, it seems like it. Parang ano, ang crisp and ang bright and ang colorful.
Oo. Tapos parang
Oo.
energy lang. Like very positive
Correct.
energy.
True.
Refreshing.
Refreshing. Tsaka
Pang jogging
nakasando.
siya actually. I can listen to
Correct.
this while on the
Oo.
treadmill.
Oo,
Kasi
sakto
nga,
pa
So,
run
run
to
to you
you
talaga. Oo.
Correct. Gusto ko lang i-point out na usong-uso talaga yung ano, no, yung dance move na kick, yung back kick, flip,
Oh,
na meron
parang
din yung
sa
viral.
Hollywood
Ah.
action.
Oh, tsaka sa
Oo.
viral, yung ganon.
Oo.
Yung
Oo.
pinauso din ng isang choreo na ginawa din ni JK. I forget the song.
Yung parang
Yeah, yeah,
Brazilian
yeah.
Oo,
cake.
Oo.
basta yung parang may
Akala
back
ko yung parang
flip.
Yung
Hollywood
mukha
action
siyang
kick
ano,
na
yung mukha
ano.
siyang capoeira na. Yun ba yun?
Correct.
Oo.
Oo,
Yeah,
tapos
that's
kailangan
the one.
nakaganon sila pag ano, yung
Oo.
end. Kailangan nakatingin palikod.
Oo.
Uso.
Correct.
Mm-mm.
So, what do you guys think
Mm-mm.
of the song?
Fun! Super cute! I mean, like, Fohas must be so happy. It's such a happy song. I didn't see the lyrics pa, so para I don't know what it's all about. But in our second time to go through it, maybe we can
check
delve
it out.
into that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-mm.
Uh-huh.
Stop and go.
Parang steads nga siya. Ano? Ikaw, Pia,
Mm-mm.
what you think?
Parang I thought it was gonna be the more trendy type because of the look. Parang yung first look mo kasi, parang first time ko sila makitang nasa city. Kasi lagi na lang
Correct.
silang nasa mga kahoyan, ganon. Yung mga MV nila, 'di ba? If they're not in the middle of a
Fantastical.
forest, they're in a
Ganon.
stage, ganon.
Oo,
Ito parang,
oo.
oh my God, they're real people here. They're in a bus, they're running on the building.
Correct.
Para silang nasa BGC, tapos ano yung, di ba yung sa one parkade na parking lot? Parang yung
Correct.
tinakbo niya,
Oo.
paakyat. Parang
Medyo
ganun. So,
nakakaano lang. Oo. Go. Naalala mo yung?
ay, hindi, akala ko it was gonna veer towards trendy. But it
Mm-mm.
still feels very traditional K-pop, which
Very,
is
Yeah, yeah.
their
correct.
sound. So,
Exactly.
yeah.
And I think the album is also El Capitan. So parang tuhog din siya dun sa previous albums nila. I mean, in terms of sound. So I agree with you,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Mm-mm.
Medyo very slight lang nakaka-unnerve yung emptiness ng everything. I mean, wala sa streets.
Oo.
Kasi ang
Yes.
wide, yung pagka-drone niya,
Oo.
ang daming scope.
Oo.
Tas, gets, walang cars, walang extras, walang anything.
Mm-mm.
Hindi ko alam kung anong feelings ko about it. Parang it just feels empty. Parang
Gets.
ganon.
Oo. Oo.
But yeah, that's a music video thing.
Mm-mm.
But yeah, we're gonna do a second watch to stop and go to see kung ano pang mga gusto naming silipin. Feeling ko alam ko kung saan tayo magsa-stop. Yes, where?
Kasi may close-up. Para tayong naging anatomy students. Kailangan nating ma-identify the different muscles, ganyan.
Correct. Oo. Of the eldest member of AHOF, just
That's
to
important.
emphasize,
O1 naman
the
siya.
eldest member of
Tama yan.
Ang masasabi ko lang sa opening shot ay Cebu Pacific. Philippine Airlines.
Correct. Ano
It
siya?
has that commercial, no? Parang tama ka nga.
Yeah,
Commercial quality yung siya in general.
Like, it's so clean.
It's so clean.
Like,
Exactly.
I don't know how to feel about it.
Yeah.
Pero parang yung in terms of tunog clean din naman siya.
True
so,
that. Oo.
sakto
Match
lang.
naman
Pero siguro
siya.
nakaka-unnerve lang kasi sobrang sobrang empty niya masyado for me.
Mm-mm.
But anyway, tara, let's do it.
Oh.
Please buckle your seatbelts.
You know. Oh.
Ito lang, kasi yung last natin na MV, naka-hiatus si Chien.
Correct.
And then parang for a long time, he
Yeah.
wasn't part of their activities as
Oo.
well. So parang I haven't been closely following them. Pero yung mga last content nga, na parang mga variety nila, that seeing him back, and seeing him in an MV again.
Correct. Oo.
Such a
And he
good-looking
seems
kid.
happy and healthy.
Yeah.
Happy and healthy. Oo.
Yeah, because was he injured or was he sick? Do you
Not
remember
sure kung
why?
bakit siya
Hindi ko na
nag-hiatus.
maalala din.
Oo.
But at least now he's back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oo. Parang parang siya na top.
Ha?
Ano, kasi, parang parati siyang nasa list of like Pogi 5th Gen.
Oo,
Idols.
siya naman main
Parang
visual ng
always.
Ahof eh.
Correct.
Kaya din siya nag-debut.
But I would say Park Han. Lumalaban
Ang main
si
visual?
Sir. Lumalaban si Sir.
Talaga.
Oo.
Hi, Ria.
Parang
Ria, pakipulot si Trency, oh.
Pero parang matagal mo nang pinagmamasdan si Andre.
In all fairness,
Di ba bias
parang...
mo naman talaga si Han?
Oo, bias ko talaga siya. Pero
Person.
parang ano parang gumuglow up talaga siya. Pag-glow up siya na pag-glow up.
Remember, in his past life, he was a caveman.
Ito yan!
Gross. Look at him.
Balbasarado pala siya pag pinabayaan niya sarili niya.
Nagagets ko
With
na
a
yung
voice.
emptiness. Is it supposed to be like, parang utopia? Parang alam mo yun, parang meron bang zombie apocalypse of sorts, tapos kaya sila tumatakbo, ganun. Kaya empty lahat. Kasi parang, anong oras ba to dapat? Bakit nga walang tao sa opisina?
Diba? Pero may soundbite before that. Parang may mga honking of horns.
Correct. Oo.
So
Ano ba to,
parang,
set?
nasan sila?
Wala sila sa
I don't think
kalsada?
so. I think it's a found. I think they shot
Oo.
on
Okay.
location naman.
Pero ang cute to, may Ahof dun sa parang dun sa sign beside the post.
Yes,
their
it's
logo,
true.
and it's like,
Oo nga, that's cute.
So parang ginastusan kasi
Oo.
nila yan. So wala nang pambayad ng extra.
Correct.
Importante kasi yung stickers eh.
Correct,
Hindi,
correct.
pero ang daming mga Ahof na signs throughout.
Oo
Sige,
nga.
hanapin
Puro,
natin.
puro diamond.
Oh my God, ang gandang drinking game
Yung
nito.
ginastos nila.
So,
Oh
sa
my
mga
God,
pohas na
inom
legal.
tayo.
Ngayon na?
Inumpisan mo eh. Okay, sige. Let's go.
Oo nga.
Oh.
Shot per
Ay, sorry.
half sound.
Cutie din ni Joe.
I
First time natin siya makitang nasa bus.
Sabi si Wonky.
Corrected ba?
Funny pa to. Oh.
Ayan.
Ay, ayun pala. May
Ayan.
extras naman pala sa bus.
Oo, sa boost.
Hanggang bus lang
Oo,
yung
hanggang bus
binayad sa
lang.
kanila.
Correct.
Libreng sakay, gano'n.
Tapos mga staff pa raw yun eh, no? Mga intern.
Totoo. Upo kayo
Doon din na
dyan.
sa likod ni Han nakalagay
Ay,
Ahof.
mga...
Alam mo, Mon, ikaw ba
Yung mga
nagpa...
And I
Ikaw
think
ba na...
those are their mini-teen, parang
Oh, cute!
Oh!
Meron pala silang ganun.
Oo nga.
It looks like it.
Monica, ikaw ba nag-print ng mga yan?
Oh.
Sa ano mo?
Gusto ko nga
Sa
yung
malaki
color
mong
combo
printer?
eh. Correct. Meron ding cheese.
Oo.
Cheese pepperoni. Okay.
따윈 됐어 말은 필요 없지 너 분명해져 넌 내군데 하게 금지 mode Girl you take my hoodie 따로 나왔어
Sorry, pero kinig
Cute.
ako dun sa Girl Take My Hoodie.
I know, ngayon ko
because
na
it's
nakita yung
always been you.
lyrics.
As in, kanina pa yung, tapos nakatingin pa si Steven sa'yo habang
Oo.
sinasabi yan. Pero masyado nakakakinig. To be fair.
Ang cute nun. Sobrang bagets ng konsepto ng Girl Take My Hoodie. Ang tagal ko nang di nasusuotan ng hoodie ng lalaki. Sad.
Porket yun yung personal experience
It's
mo,
been a while.
pang bagets na siya.
Oo nga eh.
Hindi na ba pwede sa atin ngayon?
Ayun
sa
nga
age
eh.
natin?
Actually, baka pwede pa. I think pwede pa
Pwede
naman
pa
siguro.
yan.
Pero, oo, tama yan. Yan.
Ayan o, one part
Oo. Correct.
Oh, cute!
Ang cute
Cute.
Sobrang cute ni Daisuke.
He really looks like his name, no?
Yes! Pero yung last name niya pala, hindi ko
Yes.
Ang hirap. Hindi nagsisink in. Pero, like, anyway, Guevara. Maisip. Or Daisuke.
Daisuke. I-google natin yan now.
Sige.
Daisuke.
Pero cute. Ang puti niya dito, do. Sobrang, hindi yan yung kulay niya in real life. Kasi medyo honey colored siya eh, di ba? Hindi siya sobrang,
Hindi ko na napapansin.
parang he's not super pale. Parang he looks super pale here.
Ano last name?
Aisha. Aisha.
Miyazaki.
Yes, okay.
Ayun na.
Si Daisuke.
Daisuke
Daisuke
Miyazaki.
Miyazaki.
Okay, good to know na maganda rin yung last name niya.
Oo.
Aww.
Okay, si Shuaibo and the haircut.
I know.
Ang tagal na natin siya nakitang blonde. Parang
Correct.
ngayon natin siya nakita ulit na brown ang
Oo nga,
hair.
no?
Naninibago ko na brown yung hair niya. Parang he's always
Right?
blonde in my eyes.
Diba? Parang feeling mo natural blonde siya. Parang ever since he's naging
Si Sungho lang.
one door. Diba? Parang si Sungho,
Oo,
parang
tsaka si Riwu din on occasion.
feeling mo blonde siya forever. Pero to be fair,
Correct.
si Riwu nagbabago yung kulay eh. Pero si Sungho blonde
Sungo
lang.
talaga
Parang
hindi.
si Shuaibo.
Oo.
Blonde lang siya para sa akin. Ay, pwede palang ganyan.
Nakawig lang siya ngayon, girl. Pero blonde din sa ilalim.
Yung totoong buhok niya.
Oo, kasi nga natural blonde nga siya, di ba?
Oo, natural blonde. Although, ito lang ito na naman tayo. Sige na, okay lang, i-criticize niyo na ako sa mga, Pero kasi, ang tagal lumabas ni JL, tapos parang bitin ako sa part niya. Pero okay lang
Ay,
naman.
oo. Ako
Doon
din,
pa
medyo
siya sa
hinintay ko
bandang-
siya.
Diba? Ang tagal bago niya lumabas.
Parang
Tapos-
hinati nga nila yung group eh. Parang like may group na nauna, tapos may group na sa gitna lang lumabas. Pero parang, I don't know. I don't know why that's the choice.
Or
Dahil ba may
maybe, I don't know,
anticipation? Ganon?
From what I remember naman, sobrang babad ni JL sa Pinocchio.
That's true too.
Totoo
So
naman
baka
din.
binabalanse lang
Tsaka
din
sa
nila yung...
Rendezvous.
Totoo naman
Oo.
din. Oo. Pero kanya si Jungwoo.
Jungwoo.
Jungwoo lumabas lang nung nag-rap na siya eh. Versus si
Si
Steven
Juwon.
Juwon. Pala si Juwon, lumabas nung nag-rap na siya. Tapos si Steven may appearance nung start. Diba?
Hindi, meron pang maaga si Juwon. Pero slight nga lang. Hindi masyadong
Oo.
Pero
But
ito,
anyway.
walang
Tumatakbo
any
ba siya
appearance
dun?
pa si JL. Tama ba? Wala pa
Wala
siya.
pa si JL.
Wala pa siya.
Oo,
Sa
oo.
chorus na siya lalabas. Pero in fairness, sa
Natapos
chorus,
workshop
babad siya.
Oo,
Kasi
tama
siya yung
naman.
center. So baka yun yung bawi.
Okay lang. Pogi naman si Shuaibo. Actually, lahat naman
Correct.
sila pogi.
Oo,
So,
totoo.
okay lang
Ako,
naman.
okay lang. Love ko naman sila lahat. Ay nako, Diva Line.
Eto, si Han pa pala.
Hindi pa.
Oo. Ayan, no, may mga backup dancer naman sila, Mon. Pero gets ko yung sinasabi mo, kasi sobrang tinan mo, ang liit nila, ang laki
Diba?
ng pader.
Pero yun nga, 'di ba?
Oo.
Like mas malawak yung street kaysa sa everything else.
Oo.
Parang ganoon.
And then it kind of feels very, very flat.
A little bit.
No?
Yeah. Kasi parang yung mga locations pa na napili, like it's so clean, walang dirt. Alam mo yun?
Oo,
Parang
oo.
very, very, yun, very, very commercial, TVC.
It does
oo.
feel like a commercial.
Or baka yung point ba ng song kasi is isolation. That's why I'm gonna run to you. Ganon.
Oh, baka.
Parang
Iniisip ko
wala
na lang
naman
parang,
akong ganun.
parang ang iniisip ko na lang parang kaya siya ganyang ka-open kasi it connotes freedom. Parang may ganun kasi you're running, you're free
Maybe. That's nice. Oo.
Parang ganun.
Parang it feels, because it's so wide, it feels more, parang mas kailangan mong may ma-reach from point A to point B. Parang ganun. I don't know.
Oo, parang ganun. Totoo.
Kailangan niya itakbo. Ganun.
Oo. Tapos nag-start pa dun sa clouds, di ba?
Oo.
And then like rushing through, parang nagpaka-Spider-Man sa streets
Correct.
With the drone.
with the drone.
Oo.
Oo.
Okay.
Okay.
Ayan na siya.
Love.
Like, feeling ko pa nga, where they shot this, it's like an industrial park or I don't know kung ano to, studio.
Sa Laguna.
Parang studio. Parang ganun talaga yung mga studio
oo,
na
mga
pinupuntahan sa
studio.
Boys Planet.
'Di ba? So parang they chose pa spaces na malamang syempre mahirap din naman kasi mag-permit pag public space.
True that.
Pero kumbaga, ayun, pinili talaga nila to make sure na walang tao.
Correct, oo.
Kasi
Controlled
sa sales lang
environment.
sa kalsada eh. So,
For
mahirap
ease
na
of
may dumaan na truck, ganyan.
Totoo.
Yung
Correct.
Cortez nga, nagpa-zombie run. Char.
Correct.
Correct. Ayan si
Ayan na
JL.
siya.
Ayan na.
Hi.
Gusto ko panoorin yung variety. Nakasama
Which one?
sila. Yung parang may...
Yung tatlong group with
Yung tatlong
like,
group.
Evne
Sino yun?
and...
Ev na
Wait.
yun.
Ay, hindi pala Evne. Nawala sa utak ko. But yeah,
Oo.
I've been like looking kung saan ko ba mapapanood kasi sa YouTube puro snippets lang
Snippets lang yung sa YouTube. I thought it was
1
gonna be
minute,
there
2 minute
full.
clips lang. Kasi it's so frustrating because I really want to watch the whole thing as well.
Boo. Okay.
Ba siya?
Identity. Yun yung isang group.
Oo.
Identity sila. Tas may one more.
Oo.
Hindi siya parang mga Mupli type na YouTube channel ko siya nakikita.
Basta nandun si what's his name? The guy? The black dude. What's his name?
Si Jonathan.
Si Jonathan ang host. Oo. Ayun no? Yun yung
Ganun
kick.
siya, Pogi.
I love him so
yung kick nila na
much.
dance step.
Oo, yung kick na dance step na kailangan nakaganong ka, nakatingin ka sa likod.
Correct.
Oo, uso.
Sorry, naghahanap ako may ahok sa likod niya. Wala. Okay.
Peanuts.
Wala, naka-color palette lang.
Pero gusto ko na sa US
Art
ata
direct.
sila, $1.
Kaya,
25 cents.
diba, even like the color palette, parang pinagmumukha nilang Western. Tapos parang the street sign, they're all like American.
Yes, it's true. It's all in
Kaya parang
English.
iniisip ko, anyway,
Baka tumatarget market sila US.
pwede
Expanding
din
to
naman.
US
Probably,
territories.
pwede.
Oo. Starting in Guam. Check. Maraming Pinoy dun eh. Kyo. Yan na.
Eto
Ayun.
na. Sandali lang.
Oh,
Natawa ko kasi.
grabe.
Natawa ko na nag-prepare ka na eh. Kasi gumalaw yung mouse.
Correct. Tsaka, kasi hindi hinahanap natin yung mga foha ahof, di ba?
Correct.
Ito yung symbol ng ahof o yung nila, diamond.
Oh my God, may diamond din.
Diba?
Tama.
I think yes. Oo, tama.
The best contribution.
Correct. Alam mo, pag titigan mo
Thank
rin
you,
yung dito
Captain.
niya, may diamond din eh.
Sa,
Sa biceps niya.
di ba?
Diba? Medyo diamond din yung shape ng biceps niya. Ayan pa.
Tapos may pa-pull-ups pa talaga tayo, sir.
Correct. Inubos niya lahat.
Buti na lang, hindi pa siya nagsasando.
Ay,
Next
mahilig
step,
siya magsando
sando.
sa Weavers.
Correct.
Sa mga pinopost yung selfie. Pero gusto mo na lahat sila yung mga set nung iba, lahat outdoors.
Correct. Sa kanya,
Ano pa siya,
gym.
parang ano pa
Gym
siya,
ka, gym.
bakal
Correct.
gym. Alam mo yun. Hindi man lang siya yung fancy gym eh.
Hindi na to American gym, Kasi yung picture sa likod, mga Koreano na.
Tsaka parang yung mga pictures sa likod, mga lumang basketball player.
Kaya
Sa
nga
TV.
With the
eh.
short shorts.
Kakatawa
But
talaga.
yes, I agree with all these choices for Steven.
Oo.
Yes,
Alam mo-
direct, very good.
Alam mo, feeling ko, ito yung unang dinecide nila na na shot. Like, ano ba tong MV na to?
Hindi
Basta
ba
kailangan
yung
siya, mag-gym.
Hindi ba yung braso niya? Hanapin nga natin yung braso.
Hindi, yun. Yung
Like,
series
yung
na
isa
yun.
pang ganyan.
Yan. Oo, yan yung unang dinrawing nila eh. Importante
Very good
yun
po.
eh. Very
Thank
good.
you po.
Oo. Diba? Kahit
Ang
sobrang bright ng grading, pero kita mo yung ugat.
Di ba?
Ganun ka, kaukit.
Pero yung ugat, yung well, nandyan na siya, pero alam mo yung alam mo yung age niya. Na forming pa lang. Pag mga in 3 years, mas defined na yan. Ganon.
Oo. Kaabang na si Mon sa
Hindi. Lampas na sa
Lampas
99.
na siya.
akala ko
So,
eh.
pwede.
Oo, akala ko
Oo.
Lampas sa 99. Yun.
Grabe talaga. Kya!
Oh.
Ayun, tao.
Oh, yan pa. Isa pa yan.
Pero isang
Mon.
hilera lang sila.
Correct, oo nga.
Para magmukhang madami.
Tapos nakakatawa kasi umiikot lang sila.
Correct.
Game pa na to,
You
game
know
eh.
it.
Oo, pinapaikot lang. Pumapasok sa building sila, ba sila sa kabilang
Correct.
exit.
Oo.
Tapos quick change. Para syempre mukhang ibang tao.
Layers lang yung nagtatanggal.
correct.
Kaya sila
Layers
may
lang.
kaya sila may
True.
jacket.
Oo. Wait, balik natin si Steven kasi kaya nagko-complain tayo, hindi siya nakasando. Ayun, nakasando na nga siya.
Ayan.
Oh,
Di ba may
diba?
ear cuff pa?
Oo
Sobrang
nga.
correct, correct.
Tsaka pa scarf. Kaya, naku, Mon, naka-scarf siya.
Di yan scarf, yun yung t-shirt
Ben.
na nakatanggal lang yung
Okay.
manggas.
Nakahas. Hindi, gagi, scarf siya.
Oo nga, parang ang
Hindi.
scarf. Balikan natin.
Scarf talaga siya, Mon.
Ito na si Jill.
Ayun yung hoodie.
Ano yung binato
tinapon
niya?
lang nila.
Ah, sorry?
Yung hoodie, tinapon lang nila.
Ah,
Sorry
tapos
ba namin?
tinapon lang yung hoodie tapos na-transport sila sa isang industrial complex.
Hindi, it's a 9 Central Station. So I
Central
guess that's supposed to be
It's a train station.
a train station.
Oo. 9 Central kasi Ahof Central Station.
Yes.
Grabe. O, tamo, sutog pa rin talaga yung mga trains this season, no? Kasi Karatlan may train. Ahof may train. Ano pa ba?
Sila lang.
Sila
Yun
lang.
na.
Okay, yun lang pala. Kyo! Sobrang cute nun.
Chian ba to? Oh, si Chian nga.
Chien yan. Kyo. Sobrang cute.
Gusto ko yung may CCTV shot pa tayo eh.
Oo.
Ng takbo-takbo niya.
Cute.
Why not? Pogi. Ay, tignan nyo yung yung sa
Ano?
scene kanina na yung Ahof signage, dinala nila dito sa
Saan?
Dinala nila dito sa train station. Ayun no.
Ayun,
Nasa
oo
gilid.
nga.
Ah.
Nararapat.
Tipid,
Siyempre.
pala talaga to.
Oo.
Tipid na tayo sa mga
Oo.
tao.
Kailangan
Oo.
iikot-ikot yan.
Kailangan natin magamit ng
Madali, save.
puspusan.
O tsaka, save the planet. Ganyan.
Correct, oo.
Yun siya.
Pero truth be told, honestly, parang parang ang grand nung previous MVs eh. 'Di ba? Parang sobrang, ito kasi parang, I mean, I'm not saying naman na parang tinipid nila. Maybe the concept itself doesn't ask much. Pero parang sobrang stark difference from the super, like visually,
Yeah, Pinocchio was
Grand.
so detailed.
Oh, detailed, 'di ba? And then you have,
Correct.
but then, iniisip ko na lang, I guess it's like, kasi it's a summer, summer song.
Yeah, it
ganon.
feels like it din naman.
Oh, I don't need
Oo.
that much.
Yeah.
Pero kasi, like, the song itself does not feel, for me the song does not feel so summery as compared to the visuals that I'm seeing.
Gets.
I guess I'll need to listen to the song lang without
song lang itself.
seeing all of this. Or
Oo.
maybe see a performance. Baka mas iba yung appreciation.
Correct.
I
oo.
guess. Parang summer yung description nila for the album in general. Pero parang, I don't know, exercise lang yun na feel ko eh. Like, I can really see this na ito yung papakinggan ko habang
Oo.
nagja-jogging or
Oo.
nasa treadmill or something.
Gets. Yun.
You know, nasa
Cute!
jogging path pa sila.
Dami lang takbo dito,
I know.
Bakit pa sila tumatakbo?
sila.
Dahil Run to You naman ang title.
Totoo
so,
naman.
takbo lang talaga sila.
Oo.
Pinagandaan nila yan. Hala.
To make it tomorrow's you. To make
Ayun
it
na,
to
makita na natin
tomorrow's
si
you.
Steven.
Ayan. Ay,
Naka-scarf.
wala. Scarf siya,
Ayun,
girl. Scarf siya.
Scarf
Hindi,
siya.
teka lang. Maghanap kayo ng front.
Scarf.
Oh,
hindi
scarf
siya,
nga.
Hindi siya shirt na nakapatong.
Oh, type mo na.
Nakakatawa
pa
kasi,
rin.
umaga pa niya suot yan.
Correct. Totoo yun.
Oh.
Nakaputi, hindi na
Malamang
pa
that's where
umaga
they
yun.
malamang that's also where they shot yung yung mga yung mga low angle towards the sky.
Correct.
Correct. Oo.
So parang, wala na tayong pake. From morning hanggang gabi, same
Diyan
na yung
na.
suit natin. Huwag na tayong
Oo.
magpalit-palit.
Totoo yan.
Para ke.
Oo.
Ganon.
나의 목적지 You run to you run to you
Yeah.
Hindi pala pickleball court.
I like na may I like na parang may pa-court kasi parang it kind of goes back to Rendezvous. May ganong image connection
Na
for
sports,
me.
ganon.
Oh, kasi parang nasa field din sila doon, 'di ba, na
They were
parang
na baseball.
baseball. So you see like the
Stadium, I
lines
think.
of
Yeah.
the pitch and stuff, and then dito may ganon ding sporty vibe. So
Correct. Kasi fresh off Universe League.
Koreek.
Si JL tong nasa harap.
JL 73473 is the time. Yun lang.
734.
Akala ko may ibig
Oo.
sabihin sa kanila.
Hindi ko alam, baka meron.
Ay, hindi.
We don't know.
Ay, hindi.
Umiikot
Nagka-countdown
talaga
siya
yung
eh.
oras. Hindi kasi pero July 3 nila ni-release to, di ba?
Oo.
Oo.
No, July
8?
8. Yes.
So kung
Ayun
may,
na si
pero
JL.
kung may ibig sabihin yung mga numbers, let us know. We would love to know.
Pero it's like counting up or down. Is it up or down?
I don't know.
So it's a timer naman.
Oo, timer. lang.
Timer siya. So up.
Ay,
Oras
oh.
siya.
Not timer, sorry. What do you
It's
call
a
that?
clock.
It's a video. Yung, it's a clock. Yeah.
Oo. You run to you. You run to you. Oh. Kyo! Sobrang kyo.
But ito, baka ito,
Ito,
ayun, no? So
7,
yung
8,
distance,
July
7-8. So July 8. So yun na yun.
Hindi kasi ako sa Strava eh. Ganyan ba itsura ng sa Strava?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi
Pero,
naman
Hindi mo
Strava
na sa ating
eh.
tumatakbo.
oo, hindi na kaya ng tuhod ko, tek. Lakad pa nga lang. Sakit na.
Hanggang treadmill lang ako. Hindi naman ganyan yung itsura ng treadmill.
Pero gets ko yung sa
results.
phone, tapos yung may map. So, medyo, it looks Strava-ish,
Yeah, yeah.
I guess.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, kasi there's distance naman eh.
Correct. Baka mag-start na sila ng, yung FNF, mag-start ng running club. Parang JYP ba? YG?
SM.
Sama sila sa
SM running
diba
club.
Yung show nila, na tumatakbo-takbo sila. Kyawa.
Correct.
Ayan.
Correct.
Kya. Ito pa pala. Ang kita lang yung nakabanana milk.
Ano ba?
Cutie.
Pero kita mo ang haba na talaga niya, oh.
Sobrang
Tsaka
haba
yung
na
cheeks
niya.
niya medyo nawala na.
Correct. Pero cute pa din
Haba
siya.
ng neck niya.
Oo. Parang hindi siya, for example, like, si Nikki kunwari, na parang, ang cute. Tapos biglang nung tumanda, parang,
man.
wow, gun. Alam mo yung ganun, gun na hot. Alam mo yun, parang si Daisuke parang cute pa din. Wunak
Parang
vibes.
hindi ko naabutan si Nikki na cute though. Parang from Island, parang gano'n na yung
Oo.
datingan niya sa
Baka
akin.
mas sino yun? Si Maki ba yun?
Oh my God,
Gagi si Maki naman. Grabe si Maki. Para
Medyo
talagang
intense.
nag-180 si Maki.
Anak ko yun.
Oo.
Anak ko yan! Adul.
Si Daisuke parang hindi aabot ata doon. Gulatan na lang niya tayo next year. Baka biglang,
Bago na
wow,
ako stress.
muscular.
Kung si Wunak nga hirap na hirap magbuo ng bicep, paunahan pa siya ni Daisuke. Parang ginawa na ni Wunak lahat para lang magka-biceps.
Correct
Tapos si
na.
Daisuke, tapos nagawa na pala niya kagad.
Maybe it's the
Ganun.
Japanese
It's
genetics.
banana milk. Yun lang kailangan.
Kulang si ano ng banana milk.
Or maybe it's a Japanese thing. Cause like Nikki, Maki,
Maki.
Daisuke.
Grabe
Sorry,
si Nikki.
Yuna, hindi ka Japanese. Yun yung kinulang mo.
Okay lang. Enough ka na sa amin. Hindi mo na kailangan
Oo,
maging,
to be fair,
hotness.
genius
The
ka naman.
cuteness is ano.
Genius.
Correct.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So that was Run to You of Ahof from their comeback EP album, Run to You. Yay! Clap, 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 clap. Thanks, Ahof. That was really fun. By the way, their first tour, The First Spark, is happening July 25 and 26. Marami pang tickets.
Lapit na.
If you guys are interested, lapit na siya. 2 days in MOA Arena.
Yeah. Go,
Very,
guys.
very exciting for those who are going to watch because I guess this is like their official concert tour, no?
Yeah.
Kasi parang the one in Cebu was just a
Parang fan
thing.
Oo.
fan meet ba siya?
Fan.
Oo.
Yeah.
Saan pa sila magpupunta? Parang I think they're really going the Asian route eh. Asia lang ba?
I
Or
think
pati
Asia.
US?
Yeah.
Oo.
I'm not so sure about US. Hindi ko napansin actually yung
Oo.
announcement
Mm-mm.
kung may US. But yeah, that's their first tour.
Mhm.
And that is their first music video for this album.
Mhm.
And again, Foha Sarang Bass, please watch out for our album review of the entire album that's coming up very, very soon. Can't wait. So after this, papakinggan na namin ang mga songs. And very, very excited to see more of tunes. It's about time. It's been a while. Their last
Yeah.
one was
Truly.
last year pa, no?
Truly,
Parang
yeah.
tama, di ba? Last
Truly!
year pa.
Ang tagal na!
Yung
Oh
Pinocchio.
my God, didn't feel that long though.
So, exciting! Kayo, anong na-feel nyo sa music video na to? Do let us know in the comments. We'd love to know kung anong thoughts and feelings nyo. And, yeah, kayo, meron ba kayong last words about this album?
Excited about this music video. Excited,
Yes, and
excited
this
to
music
dive
video.
into the album for our next session. So, yun lang. Kikit yung Daisuke, yun lang. Daisuke, adorable.
I can't wait to see the performances. I want to see the whole dance because they're always so fantastic as performers. And also all their variety content because they're also funny. So I cannot wait for all that as well.
Correct. Oh, and hopefully, I mean, we haven't really, we haven't really gotten into the album. Pero parang sana may isa pang music video. But I feel like there is. I don't know.
Really?
Feeling ko
Pero
lang.
hindi sila diba? Hindi sila second music video sa others.
Hindi natin alam. Pero feeling ko lang.
Okay. Alright. So, let us know kung alam nyo sa Sarang Bass. Kailangan namin ng information right now. So again, that was Ahof's Run to You music video. This has been fun. Share this music video reaction with your friends. We are on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. See you on our next drop. Thank you. You're the best. Gumawa, Chagoya, and Saranghe!